Hey guys, this is the Epic Fudge recording the next part of Let's Play Star Fox 64. In this episode, we shall be visiting Katina, a frontline base for the Cornerian forces. At the moment, it looks like it's under attack by the Venom army, judging by all those beautiful pink explosions. Being sarcastic, by the way. Anyway, let's just go.
Katina is battling the enemy. Will you help him out?
Affirmative, General.
Good luck.
Hang on, guys. Help is on the way. Boss, you made it. Bill, is that you? I can't believe it. We can catch up later, Fox.
Obviously, as I just showed, this
That's one of...
Hard to tell the good guys from the bad.
This level is where you meet an old friend of Fox's. His name is Bill Gray. I'll get the text guy to do a bio on him right now. So the way that this level works is it's basically another one of the thingies, all range levels. But this one has a bit of a gimmick in it. There are friendly fighters that you can shoot down. You don't want to shoot them down because, well, obviously they're friendlies. But you don't, for anywhere,
Mothership approaching.
you don't really seem to get penalised for shooting down
Way that easy.
shooting down your allies.
I won't let you get away from me.
But I try to avoid them anyway because, well, they're not enemies. Anyway, after you get 10 kills with this,
That's one of ours.
damn it. After you get 10 kills of the bad guys, the enemy mothership will pop out. And I swear to God, I love how unique this level is. I mean, I don't think
I
I've
won't let you get
ever,
away from me.
ever seen anything like this before in anything. Ever.
What's the big idea, Fox?
And now the fun begins.
Here they come. I won't let you get away from me.
Okay, that's the stupid references out the way. Anyway,
Go for the 4 hatches on the underside.
now that the mothership is here, basically what you have to do is just shoot the hell out of these guys until the 4 hatches pop up. Then you shoot them. If you shoot them
There's one down.
as quick as you can, then the level will end a lot quicker than it should be. But if you want more points and you want to keep the hatches on for quite a while, there is a time limit though. Eventually
The hatches are open.
it'll get to the end part of the level anyway, even if you don't shoot the hatches, so you'll have to shoot them eventually.
Cover the base.
So basically I just tend to just go for one hatch every like 2 times the hatch is open. In my opinion, I think the best way to get these,
I won't let you get away from me.
the best way to get the fighters in without actually going for the friendlies is using lock-on shots.
Don't let anything through.
Because lock-on shots don't lock onto the friendlies, and if obviously lock-on shots will
Hatches are open.
give you bonus points if you hit more than one enemy with it.
Try shooting the bad guys, Fox.
Sorry. It's not my fault that there's about a billion of people in the way.
I won't let you get away from me.
This is probably the only all-range level where your wingmen won't be getting chased around constantly. So, really,
Time for a little change.
the enemies that you're up against aren't really that much of a threat.
Your own target, Fox.
Of course, there's a mothership, but still, the actual enemies that you're fighting right now aren't much of a threat at
I
all.
won't let you get away from me.
There's just a lot of them. And not a single one of them,
The hatches are open.
not a single one of them will shoot down a Cornerian fighter. So, there, I don't know.
What's the big idea, Fox?
Oh, what are you on about?
Location confirmed. Sending supplies.
Crack one boat.
Really starting to run out of things to say at this point because I've pretty much gone over everything I can go over about.
I won't let you get away from me.
I mean, I've basically made the nod.
Big idea, boss.
Shut up, Pepe. I basically made the nod that this is like exactly like the climax of Independence Day. Well, still.
You're not getting away that easy.
If you're going for a medal in this run, like I said, just go for one hatch every every other time they open, and you should be able to get the 150 points for the medal. It's also helpful for high score runs as well. Obviously.
You're not getting away that easy.
I won't let you get away from me.
Pepe's chasing a lot of people, eh?
The hatches are open.
Alright, might as well take down this last hatch.
There's some sort of energy reaction.
As soon as you take out the hatches,
The core has appeared. Stand by to attack.
now... Oh shit, there goes my wing. Now that the hatches are gone, the mothership starts bringing out its last weapon, which is... Well, it starts charging up a laser. You know, totally unique. Anyway.
Crack one boat.
Yeah, you got a minute left. You can get 10 points straight away if you shoot down the core straight away, which is, to be fair, the best solution for that is using a bomb, because one bomb will take out the core in one hit. But, to be fair, you'll get more than the 10 points if you hang around a little bit and shoot these random guys here.
Oh, boys! You did it!
And that is the end of Katina, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, it's just a simple all-range level. There are quite a few gimmicks to it, and it's personally my favourite of the all-range levels.
Take care, Bach.
But other than that, it's not really one of my favourite levels.
You too, Bill.
I much prefer the all-range shooters. Not the all-range shooters, the rail shooters. As a matter of fact, yes.
You did it!
Might as well to get this out the way. This was a nightmare to record. It must have literally took me 5 goes to get this done without shooting down a Cornerian fighter. Look at that formation. And that's one of the more awesome things I like. Just seeing a formation of planes just flying around perfectly.
I'm glad we're on the same team, Bach. You owe me one.
But yeah, other than a decent formation in the background and different dialogue, there's no actual reward for not shooting down a Cornerian fighter. It's not worth the trouble that I had to go through to bring you that clip. But,
Take out that core.
well, first you'll get to witness the brilliant Venomian design of this spaceship, where it has to bring out its core for a full minute, which is its weak spot, by the way. And once that minute is up,
Bach, get out of here
that's when it
now.
charges up its attack by
All aircraft breakaway.
turning upside down because its main weapon is on the top of the ship. Actually, wait, no, that's a ship design. The hell? Jesus. Jesus Christ. I've probably destroyed the entire planet. If it's anything like Independence Day, then every single one of the crew is completely decimated. I mean, Jesus Christ, how does Fox feel? I mean, his best friend Bill just died. I mean,
Dang!
yeah. Couldn't say that better myself, Fox.
Don't get you down, Fox.
Oh, wow. That was terrible. Anyway, I'll see you on the next part of Star Fox 64. See you there.